What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be printing a t-shirt for my nephew. So if you guys want to check it out, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, so today I'm going to be using this gold vinyl right here for the design that I'm going to be printing. So I'm going to go ahead and load the cutter, and then I'll let you guys check out the design that I will be printing. Okay, here is the design that I have designed in Photoshop, and if you guys would like to see a video on how I created this design, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, and if I get 300 likes, I'll do the video for that. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And once you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And also subscribe to the red channel. At the end of this video, you'll see a red logo. Just click on that and you can subscribe to that channel also, because I do different types of videos on that channel than I do on this channel. So, you know, you don't want to miss those either. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you can follow me at T-Shirt Chick TV. And also on Facebook, we had a print squad group. And if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, be sure to check below this video, because I always leave links for you guys. And the links that I leave are of actual products that I have used or newer versions of equipment and stuff like that. You know, a lot of the equipment I've had for a long time, and they no longer make it, so they do have newer versions. So yeah, be sure to check below if you're looking for any equipment or products to print t-shirts with. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next video. Print Squad out.